In this video, I will show you how to sketch like a pro using these 3 simple steps. Trust me, every single beginner can do this. Also, make sure to follow my YouTube channel right now for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Let's get started. And our first step will be to create a brand new canvas, and its size doesn't really matter, but make sure that your width is twice as long as your height. We are going to import our reference picture by clicking on this little actions icon and clicking insert photo. Then we are going to import our reference picture and also make sure that your reference picture fits the canvas perfectly. So basically, make sure that it isn't any smaller or bigger than the canvas. You can simply size it perfectly by clicking this fit to canvas icon. Then we are going to move our reference picture to the left or to the right, it doesn't really matter to be honest. And no, we are not going to trace it and then be done. I do not consider tracing pictures sketching, and again, by tracing, you are not learning or practicing anything, and the chances of you improving are pretty slim. After we have our reference picture inserted and sized, we can actually get to sketching, and my favorite brush to use for sketching is definitely the Procreate pencil, but you can use any you wish. So the key in this technique is to draw a line that, for example, tells us where her chin is, or tells us where her hairline is, or stuff like that. And then we will try our best to draw the same line on our canvas, on our side. And this is pretty hard to explain, not gonna lie, so just watch me and follow along. By the way, if you want your lines to be perfectly straight, then just draw your line and hold it until your line is perfect. This way, we'll be making all of the basic and important physical features of our character, aka MeiMei from Turning Red. I feel like we're ready to add some of her facial features on there, and for this task we'll be using a pretty similar technique, but also guys, I really want you to select a different color for this task, and also make sure to do it on a separate layer just in case you mess up. And yes, you could technically just keep clicking undo until it disappears, but that will probably take forever, so I would just recommend starting it on a brand new layer. And again, the technique is going to be pretty similar, so we are just going to draw like these curves on the reference picture. And then we are going to draw a similar one on our side of the canvas. I feel like our main basic physical features are done, so now we'll dive in deeper into her facial features. And again, I'll be using the same technique, which is drawing in our reference picture and then transferring onto our onto our side of the canvas, right? And again, notice how I use a slightly different color, which is purple, and also I am doing this on a whole new layer. Again, just in case I make a mistake, I won't have to click undos for forever, and I'll just simply either delete the layer or erase some of it. Love how the sketch turned out. And also guys, just a little tip: if the colorful colors are bothering you, you can just go ahead and turn the saturation down. That way your sketch will be black and white. And also I'm planning on making a second part where I will color the sketch and make MeiMei actually look like in the movie. And also guys, make sure to follow my YouTube channel right now for more tips, tricks, and tutorials, and I will see you all in part 2. Bye!